Hi! We are from Group 5 and we will show you how to use rice cooker. I'm Januarinisa Aidha P.
I'm Iqbal Fauzan.
I'm Dwi Wibisono.
I'm Marsya Aurilia.
Let's move on to the video. All you need is rice cooker, rice, the rice pot and water. First, add the rice to the rice cooker pot. Read the directions on the rice package and measure rice according to these instructions. Use a regular measuring cup for this step, since rice cookers sometimes come with non-standard measuring devices.
Add the amount of water specified on the rice package. Be careful not to fill the cooker beyond the overflow line. Wash them carefully. Pour the dirty water and change the water into new one.
Put the rice cooker pot into the cooker unit and cover the pot with the lid. Most cookers come with a thick 15 lid, but if your lid is too loose, consider adding a layer of aluminum foil.
Plug in the cooker and push the button to start cooking rice. If your cooker has a timer, you may choose to have the rice cook at a later point in the day.
Some higher end units include a warmer, which will help the rice stay warm after it has finished cooking. While the rice is cooking, refrain from lifting the lid to check on it. When the rice is done, the cooker will beep or make a clicking sound.